So today I'm at the Patterson River and the goal is to try and get a carp. Not to catch and release or not to kill, but this time I'm going to try and catch a carp and I'm going to cook him up. Because everyone thinks a carp is a little pest, a little mud-sucking, dirty, little disgusting little fish. And yeah, they're kind of right. But at the end of the day, they're still a fish that has good protein. Most people say that they taste shit, but I'm going to try it before I judge it. So here we are. We're on the Patterson River. It's a beautiful day. We've got Siri girl wandering around. Alrighty, let's get the rod in and see if we can get a carp. Alright. So a lot of people don't know the carp fish, they actually came from Europe. Europeans brought them over here so they had some food when they were here, same as the rabbits. And just like that, they've become a massive pest. We just throw them on the banks and let it go to waste. And that's why I'm going to cook it up and I want to see if it's any good. Now while we're waiting for a fish, I'll give you a quick gaze of the jungle. Look at this. It's like I'm in the mighty jungle. Hey Siri. It's like 10 o'clock now. We probably could have came a bit earlier or a bit later to get better bites, but sometimes you just got to make it happen and just get there. What do you reckon? Should I get the drone out? Should I get the drone out? All right, let's get the drone out. I noticed Siri checking out something up here. So there's evidence there is carp here. Oh, hello. What are you doing down there? Gonna get ya. Come here, seen ya. Siri's etching to get in the water, so I cast my line way over there so I can throw a stick in there for her. Siri, what's this? Oh, what's this? Oh, yes, what's this? What's this? No barking. Yeah, wanna get in the water? Get him. Oh, Siri's in the water. Yeah, girl. How's that? The first swim of the season. How's the water? Nice? Good girl. Alright, one more. Ready? One more. Bigger one this time. Ready? Get him! Oh, I literally nearly slipped in the water then. That was so close. Ooh. Been here for an hour and a half. I've had no bites. So I'm going to go back, get some food, and I haven't given up on catching my carp and cooking it. So we'll come back a little bit later on because it's middle of the day now and there's less chance of catching it right in the middle of the day. So alright, so I've come back. I'm only 5 minutes from here, so I went home, had a feed, Now it's high tide, the water's right up. Let's get the rods in and see what we can catch. Bit of bread. Beautiful. Let's get a Taco Bell on it. Sorry mate, we want to catch a fish. And whopper! That'll do. Put the Taco Bell on. I forgot my bloody rod holder again, I'm an idiot, I know. So my rod falls in, I'm gonna have to jump in. Oh! Bites already. Oh, I'm on. I'm on. I am on, yes. What have we got? Oh. I think that's a bass. It's either a bass or an estuary perch, I'm not sure. Look at that. I'm pretty sure it's an estuary perch. But it's either a bass or a perch, I'm not sure. Alright, look at this thing. Oh, oh, there we go. That's it, bud. Alright, that was quick. Yeah, like I said, I'm not 100% sure if that was a bass or a perch, but it's one or the other. I probably should know, but it's my first time catching one of either, so that's pretty good. If he was bigger, I probably would have taken him home and cooked him, but yeah. Let's see if we can get another one. Oh, what is this? Carp. I got me carp. Oh. The line snapped right there. Alright, so we got our carp. Alrighty. Give me one moment because I just casted that one out there too. Alright. Try and wash him off without losing him. Alright, so we got our carp. Look, he's still got the hook in his mouth. The line snapped just as I got him right there. Caught him on a bit of bread. Alright. So we're going to eat him. We're going to try and eat him. So I'm going to kill him, cut him at the gills, let him bleed out, and then we'll take him back. Still got to scale him and fillet him. They got some weird bones, these little buggers, but yeah, it is what it is. Look what we got, Siri. Look. So I've cut his gills. I'm gonna let him bleed out. Just gonna show Siri. Look. What's that? Alright, we got the hook out. I'm gonna put this hook back on this guy and cast him out again. Alright, let's get some bread on this bad boy. See if we can get another fish. So I've got my fish that I'm gonna eat. I'm pretty happy with that, but let's see what else we can catch for the rest of the day. Got some bread. Let's put some bread on. Why not give it a go, huh? Everyone says that they don't like carp and they're a shit fish, but No one's really giving it a go, so that's why I'm here, to give it a test. So I'll be straight up honest if it tastes shit or if it tastes good. So we caught either an estuary perch or a bass. I'm not 100% sure with that one. And we got our carp. So we've had no bites for the last 20 minutes. I'm gonna go back. We're gonna cook up this carp. Let's go. Get among. Alright, so we're back on the property. I can't even believe that I'm about to cook up a carp and eat it. Let's see how nice we can make this carp. Alright, so we've got our carp. We're going to attempt to scale and fillet it. Right. Go away. So there's two ways you can do this. You can either take the fillets off and then skin them off later, or you can scale them and then cut the fillet. So I'm going to scale him. So a lot of people are like, what's this guy doing eating the bloody carp? But you know what? I had to give it a go at least once. I had to try it out. Everyone says they taste like shit, but no one's really tried them, so. Probably gonna make a mess here. I gotta try not to get the guts though. So I'm trying not to get into the stomach. Once you get into the stomach, shit goes everywhere. Yeah. Yeah. It's definitely not the best fillet in the world, but there we go, we got two. This fish had all eggs in it, full of baby eggs. I'm going to use this carcass as fertilizer for my garden. I'm going to dig a hole in the garden and stick it in. Alright, so we've got our carp fillets. Right here we got some cayenne pepper, some turmeric, we got some more paprika, some red chili, some cumin, some onion powder, garlic salt, masala and flour. I'm going to put it on the fish and then we're going to fry it up. Let's go. Alright, so we're going to spray the fish with some olive oil. Oh, she's slippery. Alright, mix all this together. It's got very nice smells, all them flavours. Got some olive oil in there, put some butter as well. Bonk. Alright, we're doing this, we're cooking some carp. I don't believe it myself. Look at that, some carp fillets. Never ever ever would I thought I'd be eating carp. So you gotta try it once. Looking nice and crispy. There we have it guys, look at that. We've got some rice, lettuce, onion, we've got some lemon, some tartare sauce, and we got some carp fillets. Let's give it a geezer. Alright, let's give it a taste. It's very soft. You can see some bones in it. Look at that. It's got all these different types of bones, see? A normal fish, most white fillet fish, just have the one bone, where these fish have the extra ones coming off. But you can take it off. Man, it actually tastes really nice, eh? Alright, we'll have one more bite because I'm sure you guys don't want to sit here and watch me eat. Alright, so everyone says that carp are just disgusting fish really, but it actually tastes really nice. The only annoying thing I'll say is there's plenty of bones. So in a week's time I'm going to New Zealand. I'm going to the North Island. We're going to go to Auckland and Rotorua and Bay of Islands. So yeah, but just to sum it up, carp tastes beautiful. It's just got heaps of bones through it. It has no dirty smell or nothing. It's not bad at all. It's just plenty of bones going through it. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, eh? Seriously, thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys when I'm in New Zealand next. Get amongst.